Hey you guys, what is up? So we are going to continue our palette journey, and today we're going to be using the Bret Rock collaboration with Wet n Wild. This is the Jungle Rock palette. So if you'd like to see how I got this look on my eyes, then just stay tuned. All right, so I'm going to go in with the shade Venomous first, and I'm just placing that right underneath the front of my brow. Now I'm going in with Anaconda, and I am just going to kind of blend out the edges of that. Now going in with Alpha, which is the black in the palette, I am just going to put this right into the center of that darker green just to deepen it up a bit. Going in with Deeper, I am just placing that towards the front of the eye here. Now I'm going in with Feline myself, which is the purple in the palette, and we're just gonna mix that with that blue right here on this lid. Now I'm going in with the pink, which is called Flamingo, and I'm just going to place that right into the center of my lid. And then we're taking Pounce on them, which is like an orangey red. I'm just taking the slightest bit of that, and I'm gonna put that right in here, mixing it with that pink, and we're just gonna kind of really blend that out. I don't want it too opaque. I just want like a light dusting of some orangey red in there, orangey red pink. All right, and now I'm gonna take Coconut Connoisseur, which is right here, and just kind of blend that on my brow bone just to make those colors fade even more. Taking the purple again, placing it on the other side of the pink, and then going back in with the blue again and placing it right here on the outer corner. Now I'm taking Big Peacock Energy, which is this super pretty green. It kind of shifts, and I'm taking a little bit of that, and I'm just going to place it right on top of this blue. All right, so now I'm taking Urban Decay Shadow Stick in the shade Chaos, lining my waterline. And then I'm gonna take that same blue and green mixture and apply that to my lower lash line area. Now I'm going in with King of the Jungle, which is the gold in the palette, and I'm just going to put that into my inner corner. Now I'm taking a little bit of Romantic Beauty's Pearl Liquid Eyeliner. I'm not sure what shade this is, but it's blue, and I'm just going to do a little like just scribble on down. Like so. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of Star Crush Minerals glitter in the shade Psychedelic. It's a really pretty purple, blue, pinky kind of glitter. And I'm just going to apply that all over that liner. All right, so now I'm taking Hank and Henry's Miss Thing, Hank and Henry's Propaganda, Thebriabeauty's Sea Nymph, and a little bit of that Chaos Shadow Stick by Urban Decay, and I'm gonna do my brows. Okay, so I thought I was filming my eyebrows. Apparently I was not, but I just ombre'd those colors on my brow, applied a little bit more of that glitter to them, and I also applied these Très Chic lashes in the style Fairy. They have like a purple tint to them, and I thought that that would look really good with this look. So, oh yeah, I am going to apply a lippy, and then I will be right back. And here is what the finished eye look looks like. Move my hair out of the way here so y'all can see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you liked this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.